morning today, friends. It's good to see you and have you join us today. Let's begin our circle with calendar. Can you remind us of our month? April. April. Now yesterday was Thursday. What day comes after Thursday? Friday. Let's find it. Friday. And what sound do you hear at the beginning of Friday? Friday. Yesterday was the 23rd or 23. What number comes after 23? 24. Now, what numbers make 24? 2 and 4. Now we have our 2. Need our 4. Let's find it. 4. 2, 4, make 24. And for our date, we'll say the 24th. Now, can you remind us of our year? 2020. Thank you, friends, for your help. Now let's put that all together and say today's date. Today is Friday, April 24th, 2020. Thank you, my friends. Let's go check our weather. Let's take this time to step outside or look out our window and check to see what the weather's like today. Is it cloudy, sunny, getting a little warmer outside? Let us know. Thank you, friends, for checking on the weather for us today. All right, we've done our calendar. We've checked our weather. Let's move on to our topic for today. Today, we're going to be learning about the Hubble Telescope. The Hubble Telescope is one of the largest telescopes ever made, and currently it is orbiting our planet. We're going to talk about what a telescope is, learn a little bit about the history of the Hubble Telescope, and look at some of the pictures it has taken over the last 30 years. Let's go. The Hubble Telescope was named after American astronomer Edwin Hubble. This is the Hubble Telescope. It was launched in 1990 and is still taking pictures 30 years later in 2020. The space shuttle that took the Hubble Telescope into orbit around our Earth was the shuttle Discovery. The Hubble Telescope is the only telescope designed to be maintained by astronauts. Here is astronaut Kathy Thornton working on a solar array panel, which is used to generate power for the telescope by converting sunlight into electricity. Here is astronaut Steve Smith holding on to a handrail outside the Hubble Telescope during a repair mission. A telescope is a scientific instrument that uses mirrors and lens to magnify objects that are far away. The Hubble Telescope looks at objects that are far away in space. It then uses a digital camera to take images of these objects and sends them back to Earth. Let's take a look at a few of Hubble's images. The first image of Pluto's surface was taken by the Hubble Telescope. Images taken by the Hubble Telescope are originally black and white, but are then colorized by scientists and others. Here are the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula. Here are different images of the surface of Mars taken by Hubble. A close-up of Jupiter. Here is an image of two spiral galaxies. This is the Southern Crab Nebula. Thank you for joining us today, friends, learning a little bit about the Hubble Telescope. I hope you have a really good weekend, and I'll see you soon. Bye!